Hi everyone! Today I am going to be making Kombu Dashi. I am introducing how to make delicious shojinryori and fermented food each week on this channel. So be sure to subscribe not to miss any of my new videos. Let's make Kombu Dashi together. Ingredients. First, put the kombu kelp in a clean container. By cutting the kombu kelp, it becomes easier to get the flavor. Kombu kelp and wakame seaweed are same seaweed, but be careful as you cannot remove the dashi stock with wakame seaweed. After about 10 minutes, take it out, cut with scissors taking 1 cm intervals and put it back in the container. By cutting the kombu kelp, it becomes easier to get the flavor. Second, store in the refrigerator overnight. Third, put water and kombu kelp in a pan, heat to 80 degrees on low heat, turn off the heat, and leave it until it slightly cools down. Turn off the heat when bubbles appear around the edges and the kelp start to float. This is to bring out the umami of kombu kelp and prevent the unwanted taste from coming out. The umami of kombu is extracted at low temperatures. This is because glutamic acid, which is the umami property of kombu, is fully extracted at 60 degrees Celsius and it becomes difficult to extract at 80 degrees Celsius or higher. Fourth, take out the kombu kelp and it's done. Save the kombu kelp because you can make delicious side dish. Please see the details in the description how to make this side dish. Fifth, can be stored in the refrigerator for about 3 days. Kombu dashi is the most used dashi in shojinryori. The most important point when taking kombu kelp soup stock is temperature. You can bring out the umami and suppress the unwanted taste. Even if it has a strong umami taste, it is not a good kombu kelp soup stock. This is because it interferes with the goodness of the ingredients used to cook with the dashi stock. You can get a very delicious soup stock just by paying attention to the temperature. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mold, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and shojinryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。